Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like you needed a fresh start? Well, guess what? It's mid-year, and there's no better time to hit that big reset button and rebrand yourself into the ideal version of you. Today, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to transform your life with a mid-year rebranding. First things first, reflect and evaluate. Take a moment to think back on your goals from the beginning of the year. What have you achieved? What still needs work? Grab a journal and jot down everything. The highs, the lows, and the lessons learned. Next up, define your new goals. What do you want to achieve in the next 6 months? Be specific, be bold, and write them down. Having clear, actionable goals is crucial. Think of it as your personal roadmap. Now, it's time to rebrand your daily habits. Take a close look at your daily routines. Are they helping you get closer to your goals? If not, it's time to make some changes. Start small. Maybe it's waking up an hour earlier or cutting down on screen time. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Rebranding isn't just about goals and habits, though. It's also about your mindset. Are you thinking positively? Are you open to new opportunities? Practice gratitude daily. Visualize your success. Believe in yourself and your new direction. All right, let's talk about your environment. Sometimes a fresh physical space can lead to a fresh mental space. Declutter your home, reorganize your workspace, or even redecorate a bit. Create a space that inspires you and supports your new goals. And don't forget to celebrate. Yes, celebrate your wins no matter how small. Every step forward is progress. Reward yourself for sticking to your new habits and reaching milestones. Here's a quick recap. Reflect on your past goals, set new ones, rebrand your daily habits, cultivate a positive mindset, refresh your environment, and celebrate your wins. I've got some prompts for you to get started. 1. What's one habit you can change today to get closer to your goal? 1. How can you declutter your environment this week? 1. What are 3 new goals you want to achieve by the end of the year? Remember, this is your journey. You have the power to rebrand yourself and create the life you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below about your mid-year rebranding plans. Share this video with friends who might need a little inspiration too. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.